Benson 45-day ban upheld in Englewood. Regan Benson announced during her Tuesday afternoon live stream that her 45-day ban from the Englewood, Colorado, City Council chambers had been upheld after a review by an independent hearing officer. Benson had effectively been banned from the Englewood City Council chambers within the Englewood Civic Center last month after disrupting numerous City Council meetings with increasingly bizarre behavior. After a legal challenge to appeal the ban resulted in a hearing with the independent hearing officer, Benson claimed the officer was hired by the City Council to uphold her ban. She implied that further legal action would be taken against the Englewood city government. Tuesday saw Benson bring Robert Waters, the homeless man she saved from dying from frostbite in Englewood last winter, to be used as a human prop as she confronted members of the Englewood government at the swearing-in of new Englewood Police Chief David Jackson. Benson claimed that she attempted to follow the procedures set for exemptions to her ban, which would allow her to conduct business within the City Council chambers with a police escort provided no alternative means to do so were presented. She explained that she attempted to arrange a police escort on Friday, but hadn't heard anything back by Tuesday morning. She then filed an emergency brief with Englewood City Court System demanding access to the gathering. As Benson attempted to enter the Englewood City Council chambers, she was told that it was a private event by Englewood City Manager Sean Lewis, and she would not be allowed in. She was then handed a ruling by the court clerk that indicated that her emergency motion was denied, as she had no business to conduct within the City Council chambers. Benson, accompanied by Robert, stood outside the City Council chambers and recorded the event through the windows of the room. She mocked the events and the oath of office taken by the new police chief, and then presented Robert as a prop as she confronted police officers entering the chambers. After the event, Benson took Robert to the event's reception in the lobby of the building. She confronted both City Council member Rita Russell and City Manager Lewis about the closing of the event to the public, insulting and degrading Lewis in the process. Once the reception began to break up, she took Robert outside to scream at attendees as they exited the building. Benson continued to shout insults and degrading comments towards police officers before retreating to her car. Benson ignored Robert while she gave an extended speech imploring that Sean Lewis be fired for leading the conspiracy against her before ending her live stream.